Welcome to Tirana, the capital of Albania. It's a very underrated city with many places to visit. Taxi from the airport to the city center is only 20 euros. By the way, this is how I make those cinematic drone videos you've just watched. When visiting Tirana, you must go to Skanderbeg Square. With its shops and restaurants near the Opera building, it is one of the most important landmarks in the city. Skanderbeg Monument shows Albanian national hero who led Albanians to victory against the Ottoman Empire. There is also drinking water available, especially useful in the summer. Next on the list is the National History Museum that has a large collection of exhibits that date back as far as 3000 BC. The museum also features many displays of art from around the world. Before coming to Albania, I didn't know that during Cold War, Albanian dictator was obsessed about building defense bunkers. Apparently, Albania has 173,000 of them. This one here is an interactive museum that teaches the visitors about Albanian history through multimedia displays. I'm starving after all that walking. Let's go eat. I chose a restaurant with traditional Albanian cuisine and beer. The restaurant is called Outtro. At night I managed to see an Albanian fashion show. I must say this is the first one for me. Let's see the professionals do it. And now it's my turn to be in the spotlight. Ha ha. This Albanian pop artist is my new favorite. His name is on the screen. Just listen to this. After all that hard work, it's time for a drink in Botanica Cafe. Cheers! Of course I'm drinking my favorite mojito. The next day it's time to check out from our centrally located hotel. And this is what I recommend. Look for the hotel around Skanderbeg Square because it's the most convenient. If you like it, please subscribe for more videos from Albania. In the next episode we are going to the ancient city of Berat. We will be also getting a hire car.